Somebody my age commented on my channel and said it only gets better. I had to take a second and think about that. Here's why. Most people online are telling you aging is decline, slow down, slow death, falling apart. You have to expect less. This guy, same age as me, 57, said the exact opposite. Said used to be 350 pounds, I was 300. Smoked 2 packs a day, drank hard. This dude fought cancer 3 times in one. And now, every day, he wakes up every day feeling like he could climb Everest. Think about that. Not at 25, not at 35, now, 57, as one of the most powerful statements ever. I've been trying to tell Gen X this for a long time. It's not too late to get your life back. Might be the perfect time, in fact. Because by this age, you've been humbled. We've certainly lost people, made mistakes, carried real regret, got scared by blood work, blood pressure, sugar. Lots of us gained a lot of weight. Some of us addiction, maybe divorce, maybe all of it. Sometimes all of that pain can become fuel. That's what happened for me. I didn't start changing because I was inspired. I was just sick of where I was, man. Sick of where I was going, and that's a huge difference. Maybe that's where you are. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just overdue. Huge difference. And here's what I need you to hear and really listen. Health improvements create life improvements. When I started walking, my thinking became a little clearer every day. And then I changed my relationship with food. Then discipline started showing up. My relationships improved. Money even got better. Then I started dreaming. I could even, 57, I could move to Colombia with my wife, Sandra. One thing led to another. That's how life really changes. Not all at once, with momentum. And this guy proves something else. Feeling good feels good. He said, feeling good feels good. Simple, meaningful, but true. A lot of people watching this, you don't even remember what feeling good feels like. You normalize feeling tired, being heavy, discouraged, being inflamed, stuck. That ain't normal. That is just common. Big difference. And you can fight your way out. Maybe it starts with a quick walk around the block. Maybe it starts by losing 10 pounds. Maybe it starts by cutting the junk food, fast food. Maybe it starts by finally doing what your doctor tells you to do years ago. But you got to start. Because one day, you may be the person leaving that comment for someone else, telling some other man or woman, keep going. It gets better. That matters. That's why I keep making these videos. And honestly, that's why I'm talking about starting a small accountability group, mostly for men and women. Some of you don't need any more motivation. You need support. You need accountability. You need somebody saying, keep going anyway, keep going, keep going, keep going. That changes things. So if you're watching this, you've been putting off fixing your life, take this as your sign. It can and will get better, does get better, but only if you move. Fix one thing today. Walk, lift, join Planet Fitness, eat a clean meal, make one better choice. Begin. The goal isn't just living longer, it's feeling alive again. And brother, it is still available. If you're starting over like me, follow along and type I'm in if you're doing this with me. And I'm looking to start a small accountability group, like I said, mostly for men. So if that interests you, let me know in the comments. We are